Hello, my name is Ranjan Mujumdar. Today I am going to start you and a small animation project. At first I am showing you the output of this project. You can show that if I mouse over on a picture, then a picture is going to be maximized and the picture has been changed. If I mouse out from the picture, the same picture is restored. So how can we use this project? This project is mainly used in jabong.com, flipkart.com. This type of project is mainly used in e-commerce site. You have already seen that if you mouse over on a jewelry in which is placed in jabong.com, then the picture, the jewelry is going to be maximized. So this is a simple logic you can use on this project. The simple logic is I am going to elaborate. So how can you create this project? Start, open Notepad and write down HTML open, HTML close. I have already said the two main section you have to use at the time of creating a JavaScript program, head and body. I am taking an image and giving the identification value A to the image, and source of the image is penguins.jpg, and I have not given any height and width measurement to the image because I want to use CSS in this place. So the identification value of the image is A. That is the reason I have used ID in this section. That is the reason I have to use hash A, because hash is used for ID. Height 200 px and width 200 px. On mouse over is the event. I am using XX function for on mouse over, and on mouse out is the event. I am using YY for on mouse out. Style, type, text, CSS. If you want to write down JavaScript program or JavaScript logic, you have to use script type text JavaScript. And closing script tag. I have used two functions. One is XX for on mouse over, another one is YY for on mouse out. You can see the ID of the image is A. That is the reason document dot get element by ID A dot style, because I want to change the height and width of the image, and height and width is the part of style. That is the reason I am using dot style dot height equals to 400 plus px. Okay, document, I want to change the picture. That is the reason I am using src attribute. So document.getElementById a dot src equals to double quotation desert dot jpg. I have already used function xx. Now I am going to write down function yy. I am copying the entire section and paste on it. I have already shown you that if I mouse over on the picture, then the picture is going to be maximized. If I mouse out from the picture will be restored. That means the original height and width of the picture is 200. That is the reason I am changing the value of 400 to 200. And the previous picture was penguin. I am checking it. Is it penguins? No, not penguins. .jpg. So I have completed the project and I want to save the project on desktop by giving pic_max1.html. Okay. Now I am going to open the HTML file. Now you can see the same output I have got. If you mouse over the picture, the picture is going to be maximized and the picture has been changed. If I mouse out from the picture is restored. So this is a very simple project I have done, and this simple project is used mainly in e-commerce site. So if you want to show more HTML and JavaScript project, please subscribe. Thank you.